Oh, I like that. Expectations. Ooh. Love me a bit of pink. How gorgeous is that? It's pretty huge as well. Oh, that's nice. Hey guys, so for today's video we're going to be taking a look at May's Lush kitchen box. It is the Rose Queen Festival one. Lush have kindly sent me this one through. They sent me last month and they're also going to send me next month as well, and I'm extremely grateful. It is the XL as well, so it's the larger box, which is just fantastic. So thank you so much, Lush. Don't mind my little chinny chin chin. I am breaking out over the last couple of days, like badly. Like I don't really get spots in my older age, so I don't know where these are coming from, but yeah, enjoy those on my chin. So this month's box is obviously centered around roses and rose scents. Florals, you may or may not know, aren't my favorites in the world. There's some that I enjoy more than others, some that I very much dislike, but we're going to give it a sniff and give it a go. I have seen a couple of people post it already and they seem to be quite enjoying it, so I have high hopes. So I've got a lovely little slip here, and then you can open this up and inside it has all your information. Oh, I've ripped it. Not going to open it. You can see in there's all your information where you can read about the box. Lush Kitchen box, if you didn't know, you can grab a subscription. So you can grab the regular bath box, which is £35. You can grab a shower version if you don't have a bath, which is also £35. And then you can grab the XL, which has the bath and the shower items in for £49, I believe, or £50. It's a very nice little treat to get every month, and I do thoroughly enjoy them. Here we go, I'm very excited. Right, so let's go and order. So first thing we've got is the bath bomb, and it's the Rose Queen bath bomb, and this looks beautiful. Gorgeous rose on the top. Looks like it's full of petals and Is that my favourite scent in the world? No, but it is interesting. It smells rosy-ish, but it also smells a bit smoky as well, and like woodsy. Interesting. So in here you've got loads. You've got rose extract, you've got labdanum, citrus oil, dried rose petals, dried cornflowers, dried sunflowers. Perhaps it's just the whole concoction of flowers in there that's giving me a little bit of a rosy, smoky vibe. But I'm excited to use that nonetheless. That'll be fun. It's a bit very, very strong smelling, so if you like a strong floral, you'll be all over that. Next up, we've got the Turkish Delight dusting powder. In the bottle for this one, which is nice. So this says, have you ever dreamed of rolling around au naturel in a great big pile of fresh rose petals? If, like us, you've been dared to dream, we present you with the next best thing. This one has jasmine extract, neroli, rose extract, rose oil. Let's give it a go, shall we? Should we just dust some on? That scent isn't for me. I knew this box was going to be risky for me. I did, because I'm not a massive floral lover, like I said. I knew I might not be a fan of all the scents, but I did think I'd like some of them. So fingers crossed for the rest of it. I mean, I feel like if you like a really nice, clean, soapy scent, you'd be really into this. It smells, to me, it smells really quite soap-like. That smells really familiar. Like an Imperial Levers soap. It's a very, very clean scent, that is. Doesn't give much Turkish Delight to me personally. But yeah, very clean smelling, that is, very clean. We have that one. Next up, this looks lovely. We've got the Rose Bubble Bar. Oh, that looks beautiful. Nice mix and swirl of like purples and pinks, sort of giving a comforter vibe. That's nice. Ooh. Oh, I like that. This feels a bit more like a citrusy rose. That's nice. This has in it, is this a citrusy rose? Let's find out what it is, a citrusy rose. We've got in there cocoa butter, cornstarch, lemon oil, orange oil, oh yeah, so citrusy, and rose extract and rose hip oil. That's a lovely mix. You can smell the floral in there, but to me the floral's a little bit more in the background, and I can smell like a zingy, zesty lemon in there most. But you can smell the floral with it. It's a really nice mix, that is. I like that a lot. Very nice. That's a winner. Winner, winner. Rosy dinner. I was gonna say chicken dinner. Sorry about the different background as well today, guys. I forgot to charge my portable charger that I take over there to charge my light. So we're in here. Next up, I was most excited for this, so hopefully it lives up to expectations. Ooh. We've got the Peach Rose Shower Cream, and this is obviously the larger tub. This is the 240 gram. Nice pink pot, which I'm all over. I love the coloured pots. I think it adds a little something to it, and I especially love pink. I'm a pink lover. I love me a bit of pink. So in this we've got cocoa butter, olive oil, herwood, jasmine, lemongrass, neroli, rose oil, rose petal, loads in there, sea salt. So this says, a rose without thorns. It's right in this softening shower cream. Is there thorns in it? No, rose. I don't know. Oh, that looks lovely. Brimming that is. Oh, gorgeous. Very thick. Got on that thing. Let's put it on the other hand. Lovely feeling. That's nice. That's quite delicate, but really quite lovely. That's reminding me of something as well. So rose, neroli and jasmine. I can't think what that's reminding me of. I know this is the same scent as something. What was it? Jamie posted his box earlier and I just get all the details off him because he knows what he's talking about. So this is the same scent as the Comforter Rose Bath Bomb and Scrub. It's nice though, it's really sort of like light and refreshing. Fruity with a floral, but I wouldn't say you can distinctively smell either one of them, if that makes sense. They sort of merge together quite nicely to make like a really unique scent. Very creamy, bit fruity, bit floral, but very delicate. I like that, I'm happy with that. Then, ooh yes, forgot about this. We've got Softy Body Scrub. Oh, look at that. It's a little rose imprinted on the top. And in this one we've got almond oil, coconut oil, orange oil, rose extract, ylang ylang, lavender oil. I can't tell if I like that or not. It's got like a really distinctive scent that when you, sorry, I'm stuck under my leggings. It's got like a really distinctive smell when you first smell it. Is this, it smells familiar as well. This sort of smells a bit like, I think it was a hair mask or a foot mask we got when we went to Poole. Was it the, ooh. It's very, it's got like a distinctive fruitiness to it, but then it's also got a very woodsy, smoky note as well. Oh, I don't know about that one. Have you guys got your box? What do you think of this one? I can't make my mind up. That's extremely punchy, like really strong. I can't make my mind up. Interesting. Then, I'm most very excited for this next one. So we've got the Rose Soap, and this one was out, was it last year? I think for Valentine's or Mother's Day. Can't get it out. And I did like the look of it, but it was a little, I think it was £14, and I don't use soap enough to warrant spending £14, so I didn't get it. But we've got it in this box and it is beautiful. How gorgeous is that? It's pretty huge as well. So you've got your lovely rose in the centre and you've got your little bendy petals. All of this is soap. Oh, That's nice. Oh, that's beautiful. This feels a little bit more fruity rose. Yes, I like that. Wonderful. What's in this one? Yeah, it is a bit of a fruity one. So we've got orange oil in there, Palma Rosa, geranium, rose, gardenia. God, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. I need to find out, is this a scent that's familiar? Because it smells really lovely. I don't know what scent this is. I think it was for Mother's Day it was out, but it's lovely. I really like it. It feels like a fruity rose, like, I don't know, a little bit edible, but just really, really nice. Not too strong, not too in your face, but just enough. I really like that one. What do we think of this one if we've got this one? It's huge. It's like the size of my face. I'm happy with that, very happy. So far, these two are the winners for me. And then, what do we have? Last up, we've got, oh, this is great, cool. Yes, perfect, I know I like this. We've got rose jam shower jelly. Obviously rose jam scented, that really lovely sort of sweet jammy rose scent. So in this one we've got, ooh, yum, goji berry juice, geranium, lemon oil, rose extract, argan oil, cypress leaf extract, and vanilla pod extract. This one says, dreamier than a pair of rose-tinted glasses. I don't think you can go far wrong with this one. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, look at it. It's a little rose. I'll get it out for you in a sec. Let's give it a sniff first. Oh. That smells extra, extra good in this jelly. What? I can flutter a little bit sometimes between loving rose jam and not being so fond of it. Oh, that smells absolutely divine in a jelly. Oh, it's like there's something extra in there. It's really sweet and yummy. Oh, that's beautiful. Is that going to be able to focus? I never know how to show you these effectively. I can't show you effectively, can I really? Oh God, don't drop it. Oh, there we go, sort of. It's a beautiful flower-shaped rose. And that smells absolutely sensational in that, really does. Don't get me wrong, I am back onto rose jam a bit more recently. But I don't know, there's something about this jelly, it just smells extra, extra yummy. It's like there's something else in it. Maybe it's something they have to use to gellify it that smells really good with it. Love that, love, love, love. Ooh, got a bit of snotty jelly on me, yummy. So there we have it, the rose box. I was worried I wasn't gonna like anything in the box, I'm not gonna lie, because like I said, I'm not like a huge floral lover, but I'm happy. I love the rose jam jelly, I love the bubble bar, and I love, love, love the soap. So I'm really happy with all three of those. They're just a different play on floral scents, if you ask me. Like, they're a good mixture, like zesty floral, zesty rose, jammy rose, and then you've got this lovely, to me it's like a fruity rose. Really beautiful. I like it a lot. That's stunning. Very happy. This is probably middle ground for me, like middle ground, happy with that. And then these ones are a little bit more like, I'm not so sure. Bath bomb, that actually smells a bit, it smells a tiny bit incensey, that does, like incense. And I do like incense, but this is quite strong. But I don't mind a strong smelling bath bomb because like you're just using it once, do you know what I mean? Whereas things that you're not so sure on that you use multiple times, like that's just extremely clean smelling, like extra, extra clean, super clean. And this is just a bit too, oh, that scent, I know what it is. What is it? Is it Green Shoots hair mask? Is that what I'm thinking of that we used? Oh, it's so unusual. I don't think it's gonna come up if I type it in. Yeah, I'm not like overly sold on those two, but like I'm gonna happily use the bath bomb because it's just a one-use jobby, you know. It might come through differently in the bath. That is really strong though. Okay then, we're done. Have you received your box for this month? If so, do let me know what you think of it in the comments. Did you get the bath, shower, the large? Are you happy with all of it? Are you not so happy? Do let me know down below. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all soon.